Yeah, big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. I'm here pushing out this morning, guys. Tired from last night. Played music with DJ Spice last night, as you guys seen the clips before this. So stay tuned, guys. I'm hitting up a close by spot. I got in last night, damn near midnight, guys. Tired as hell, burnt out. Mush up this morning, guys. Don't feel good at all this morning, but forced the issue this morning to see if I can go pick up at least a 1 barrel for you guys this morning. I'm not going to let you guys down, and we're going to do this up. Alright, guys? So stay tuned. Be with us, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Since the hurricane. And this is what I have to pass through. I have to go around this stuff. So from what I'm seeing, there's not many people who's been back here since. Alright? So let's hopefully we can get back here and we can pick something up this morning. I'm gonna have to go into this one. Oh, lift it up. Grass is kind of high. Yeah, guys, I haven't been back here since the hurricane. That's crazy, right? Let's see what's up. Let's see what we can pick up this morning. I'm gonna get wet this morning for sure. I know the fence got knocked down. That's because they try to fence this little section up right here, but they don't understand that their fence line stops like right there. This is their fence line. Everything else belongs to the ocean. So, but they try and they block it off. God damn, the whole fence fell down. Holy shit. Haven't been, like I said, guys, I haven't been back here in a while, guys. Oop, oop. This is crazy. Yeah, back here got destroyed. Holy shit. I gotta change this lure. And we're about to get wet. This is part of fishing. Be a man. Get wet. Alright, guys. This rocks are slippery. I feel it in these shoes. They're like hilariously slippery. I don't want to step on any boards here and get myself hurt with any nails or anything like that. But I'm going to go a little bit deeper, guys. But I just have to watch my step because I don't want to fall. I have my phone and other items in my pockets that I don't want wet. So, take my time, edging around this water. Even though I know my pants is going to get wet. I know it's definitely going to get wet, guys. I'm definitely going to get wet here today. Alright, let's see if we can ease up out of the water at least a little bit. Don't want to step on that board because it's not firm. Let's see if we can pick up a barrel this morning, guys. Let's get out of here. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican Lure Fishing, guys. I was a little disturbed in that water up there. Let's see if we'll hit something this morning. Sometimes they'd be close too. Nothing, guys. Not yet. Just working this side so we don't leave our options closed. Once they're there, they'll hit it, guys. That's it. They won't do nothing else but hit it. That's their style. So I'm just working these shallows to see what I can pick up. You got bait fish in here. Oh, bird's chasing my lure. Check that out. That's crazy, right? Oh, the cherry bird. I guess they must have a nest up there or something. But nothing, guys. That's crazy. Ouch. That hurts. I don't like it when that happens, when the ring goes right into my guide eye. I don't exhaust myself too much that I can't go to work tomorrow. I have work in the morning and other things to do. Let's secure my lure. We're going to cut through this tree. We're not going to go around in deep, guys, because I don't want to get wet. Oh, damn it. All of this fell down. I got to go all the way around. Well, maybe I could fit under that tree. No, I won't chance it because every time I do it, it knocks my cameras off. Oh, let's go around. Let's go around, guys. This is tricky with this storm. Hurricane damaged all of this stuff. So you have to maneuver around a whole bunch of bushes and debris. We still have a lot of damages here in Jamaica, guys, so I'm just working with what I have right now. I'm gonna cut it through here and drop back in the water again. Ooh. Damn, snapper just grabbed it and let go, guys. Snapper just grabbed it and let go. Oh, that's crazy. Snapper grabbed the lure, guys. Ran that way. I didn't even realize it, guys. I was like, damn. It didn't feel like much. I seen the fish, but I'm like not zoning in on it. To like, what the heck? It just threw me off because I'm just waiting for that barra hit. I was not expecting the snapper to hit it this morning. I swear. I'm like, damn, man. Twice he hit it and got away, and my hooks are not dull. My hooks are damn sharp. Yeah, guys. So, all in all, when I come out fishing more time, guys, it's not just recreational. I come out to hunt for food. I hunt for fish for my home to eat. Or I might just come out for the sport for the day, but other than that, it's mostly I hunt for food to sustain my seafood stuff in my house. Because who'd want to pay a lot of money on seafood when you can hunt it yourself? I mean, that's my motto in this. I mean, that's what I do. I come out and I hunt fish to eat. And not for a clout, for sure. Definitely don't come on YouTube for a clout. This is just sharing my experiences with you guys in fishing and doing something productive. And not put out videos just for the clout, thinking I'm setting a trend for something. Or trendset, even though I've done a lot of videos, a lot of stuff that I see other people just picked up and started running with, but it's all right. Everybody's everybody. Everybody got their own mind. They think on their own. They do their own thing. But I always do this thing as an educational purpose, basically for people to learn and how things are done. Not everybody's born with the knowledge, so you try to share this knowledge with other people, guys. Especially the ones that don't know. Now they know. That's what it is. I just got a hit a while ago, but I don't think it was a good hit. But this hook got caught up on my line. Look at this, guys. So this is what happens when you get your hook caught on your line. It don't make the lure swim properly. So I try to get the hooks off of it. And there's a barrel laying around here someplace. I just got to make sure that set my rod right. I see a line problem up here. So when you have line issues, you make sure you resolve them, or your lure won't swim properly. All right, let's get out there one more time. There's feeder fish here, so I'm supposed there's a barra around here someplace. Nothing yet, guys. All right, we'll take it back in right here. Go around this big tree and go around the other side. And see if we can get something close up on the deeper end. There's a deeper end over there. Drops off about 18 to 20 feet deep. So we're gonna go around and see if we can pick something up. If we don't pick anything up, guys, that's what it is. It's not every day you come out you catch fish. Sometimes I come out for a whole week and I don't catch anything. And I just don't post those videos for you guys to see. But lately I have been posting those videos, guys, because I'm not gonna waste time coming out here for nothing. That's for sure. Definitely damn nasty fuckers. Excuse my language, guys, but people just dumping garbage, man, just sucks. Human being, human nature. And it's not supposed to be that way. That's the funniest thing. They're just human beings, man. No, it's not just human beings. It's nasty human beings that does shit like that. But it is what it is. Yeah, guys, so like I said, try to keep this thing jiggy for you guys to see what's happening here. I know the drop off from here has changed and came in even closer. The drop off is like less than 10 feet away from me. So now the drop off just drops because of the weather. It just keeps on changing it. Eventually that drop off is going to come all the way out here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of fryers. Whole bunch of fryers swimming around, guys. I'm surprised. Yeah, nobody's been back here in a minute. Oh shit, a load of fryers down there, guys. But that's the weirdest thing. Normally you see fryers, you see there's a juvie barra or some kind of snapper or jacks hanging around the bait fish. There's none hanging around these bait fish today, and I don't know why. That's weird. Yeah, look, I see a whole bunch of bigger fish swimming out. Here, guys. Yeah, this water is deep. If I drop my camera or anything in here, it's done. Because I won't be able to retrieve it. It's deep, 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 deep. So, the coastline keeps on getting diminished. This keeps on getting knocked off. And it just fills up. This is where the ships come in back here, guys. It's crazy. There, guys. Not much. Can't do nothing much about that. Alright, guys, let me see if I can get out another lure. Change them off. Maybe go to a popper. One of those top water popper. Yeah, guys, so that looks like Brian. Oh, that Brian. Are you? It is you, Brian? Hey, guys, look at who we ran into. Brian got his camera on and everything, guys. I knew it was one of us, guys. One of our Jamaican shore fishing team members, guys. That's what it is, Brian. We'll probably end up down the line now that I meet up with Brian. We're going to end up on some serious crazy adventure today, guys. Watch what's going to happen. He's going to be like, what are you doing? Let's go down the line. Let's go hunting. Bro, I worked that whole area out. Let's go see what Brian's up to, guys. I worked that whole stretch, come all the way down here. I was in the water, I passed the fence and went around. And on that dock, I'm not getting much. I use shallow divers, top water lure. Not a damn thing, bro. I went behind the airport.
Some blue runner down there, but
I went down Sandy Bay the other day last weekend. Not a damn thing. Went all the way to Greenwood the other day.
No,
not a damn thing. I don't know what's going on, Brian. I think we overfish, bro. I think we way overfish, bro. I think we're hit.
Right, but them I think how we use.
Yeah.
Them I think are kind of selective.
Yeah, it is selective. What type of fish?
We don't really catch the small fish, because small fish not really bite this.
Nasa. But I worked that whole area. But Brian, what I'm surprised about, bro, right here. This whole stretch right here is Barra base. This is the HQ. If I don't catch a Barra here, something wrong, bro.
Remember say,
Yeah, I'm with. I feel we boy them, man. I'm good. Yeah. A hot man, me did win the top water lure here from Hartman Adventures, guys. Make sure you go over to his channels. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And Brian's here too.
Watch him, man. Watch him.
Brian is doing his video thing too now, guys. So.
One video for my channel, but my audience are really dependent. The audience terrible.
I got this topwater spook from Hartman Adventures, and it works good. I've gotten hit off topwater lures already, wicked.
Like how they cast.
You see that boat, Ryan? Cast to that boat. And that rock is slippery, and if you drop off of this, you get knocked in. Yeah, aim for that boat. Who that? Oh, that's a catch, like the back of it, behind it. Let's run past it. Ooh, fish on. Barra. Got him. Got him, guys. Barra on. Ooh. You get catching the damn tree. Yep. He just dropped off as like, you know, land, guys. Barra. Jamaican shore fishing. The Barracuda. Fish. Yeah. Over 12 inches. He can stay right there.
Right, I'm right. So you put him biting you?
I know. Stay up there. We'll be back for you. We'll be back for you.
You see how they fish? Oh. Where to take him in?
Huh?
Bird.
Oh yeah? Hooked up. I'll behave its damn self. We got you. Yeah, we got you good. We're hunting barras. You see by the old ship over there, guys? I want to end up by that wall over there. Yeah, that's why they're here. I think there's more here. Here's Jamaican shore fishing. Ooh, look at that. Something just chased something right here a while ago. Look. Oh, fish on, fish on. Brian got hooked on, guys. Brian's on. Brian got barra. That's what's up. Haha. Brian got a barra, guys. Brian just got a nice size barra. Just
Nice.
well, guys. Look at that, guys.
Hey, all right, all right.
Hey. Hold this. Hold on. Hold up. Boy. Here. Lip grip. Grab him under the bottom jaw. Don't even try to mess with that lure. It'll flip it in your hand, bro. Hold that lip. Oi! Hold it. Give me. Let me do it. Give me that. This way. All right. Use a lip grip tool, bro. I told you. You need a lip grip tool. Remember, some mine's tight on the bottom, you know, so you will know the difference. Hey guys, Brian just hit a barra. That's why I love that stringer, boy. That teeth and that needle. See the needle gone up my mouth there.
Kill him first.
Nah, man, and that gilly going up. Don't worry about killing him. You're not going to keep him fresh. What y'all kill him for? I think y'all going to. I'm trying to go around that mooring rope. Right here.
So, very first barrel ever catch.
Up here?
Right, down with that boat. Very first.
The old boat, right?
Yeah, two of them make it stop this year. I'll let them go. They really want to keep no small.
Fish on. Fish on. Another one. Got him. Small barra. Hey guys, we're striking today. Me and Brian. Strikers. Yeah, I know. China man, I'll grieve. China man, I'll definitely grieve now. Them boy, they catch all that fish, them. Yeah, you can't get back now down here. Yeah. You never want to touch a good luck rod, look well. If you need to touch a good luck rod, you don't catch something. Told you guys when I started hooked up with Brian, it was on. Let me get this fish. I'm gonna put this fish on the string, guys, because he's getting all rowdy. Get my lip grip tool out. There you go. And we'll get this one on the string. You know, I want you. I just seen you. I just seen you. See? There you go, guys. Look. He's there hunting. He's there hunting, guys. I want him. I want that barra. I want that barra. He's right here hunting, guys. What that?
I try to swim towards me.
Oh, you just got one more? Oh shit, what is this? 2-2? 2-2. Yo, bro, are we competing today?
I don't know, man. I have the biggest one in the south. We're not ready.
Are we competing today, Brian? Brian, is this barra competition today, Brian?
I don't know, I don't think so.
Brian, look at this one. Look at this one, Brian. They're here.
I beat them, man.
That's not bait doing that, Brian.
I beat, man.
No, but something's hunting them for them to do that.
When they draw, they lower through it, right?
See?
Let them think it's a hunter.
Hey guys, I'm looking to see what's rushing these fish. Oh no, something rushing. There's a whole bunch of them, Brian. It's that big one that I'm looking for that you just seen. Last time I got dog rush, I broke a $200 rod. I was not happy about that shit. My Daiwa rod. I broke my Huh? No, I didn't. But it was 12 of them, bro. Bro, it was 12 dogs, bro. What am I gonna do? Yeah. Bro, all here standing up in the back of the neck and back and everything, bro. I was like, nah, I'm not. That's what they did. They circled me and they tried to bite me, bro. I had to use my fishing rod and break over their head. Yo, I used my fishing rod as a whip that day, bro. That shit was like Zorro's whip. But I broke a $200 rod. Sila. You see that old sunken ship? I guarantee you there's a bit. Ooh, fish on. Fish on. Another one. That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Again? Brian's on, guys. Brian's on. Brian's on. Yo, guys, back to back. Yo, this video is gonna be sick. This is gonna be a sick video. Yo, bro, I'm not taking no checks with that dog. That's a big dog. That's a big ass dog, bro. Yeah, I'm not taking no checks with that dog. I'm not even going any further. That's it, Brian. We done. We done. We going home. We're not messing with that dog. Not that I'm scared of dogs, but at the same time, I don't want to get messed with somebody's dog. You have to remember, we in their territory. So let's get out of here.
guarantee if you go under then three boats or something. Three boats.
Yeah, but I'm not messing with them dogs, bro. And then guess what?
No,
Let's go this way. Let's get out of here. The dog and that, they're big. We're not messing around. Teeth, dog, Sunday, no.
Barra teeth, we're messing no
Yeah,
dog teeth.
no dog teeth today, guys. Fishing, straight fishing. So get out of these people's coastline and head in. I think me and Brian did enough damage already today.
I feel like we can't stop.
Yeah, we did good.
I'm gonna catch myself. Catch me enjoyment.
Yeah. So I told you guys, what did I say to you guys in the video before? Once I bump into Brian, it's on and popping. I called it to know Brian. I said, guys, watch when I bump into, I said, that's Brian over there. If that's Brian, something's gonna happen today, guys. We're gonna end up going up the line and something's gonna happen. And so said, so done. We did. And bro, it's 3-3. A catch is a catch. A kill is a kill. A kill is a kill, bro. A kill is a kill. So I got the first. You have the second one.
The first and third. I mean
Yeah.
the second and fourth. So you go.
Yeah, I may have the fifth one, and you have the sixth now. Sealer. Hold on, let's get him on the string.
Nice fish though.
Yo, brother. Peoples, look out, we're going to work. Me and Brian do some killing.
Work, man.
I know not normal, guys. Yo.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, boy. The 28th of the month. Happy Sunday.
28th of July.
Yeah, guys. So.
A weekend holiday, you know?
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, this weekend coming up.
Independence Day.
Yeah, man.
Yo, we need to plan to do something, man. We need to plan something.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's plan.
But
So we haven't done no drop line in a while.
Yeah.
We haven't done any drop line in a while, Brian.
Yeah.
It's been a minute.
Yeah.
And last time I was, I would love to hold one of them snappers again.
Yo, the drop line thing is about work where I work, you know.
Yeah, not playing with it. Yo, damn, I'm so sad this fence fell down.
Not sad enough. Better access.
When Sicky see we walk out the backside, Sicky I said blows and skirt. I'm not going with. I hope that's off me carry then.
Yeah.
We up that's off. Where? Oh shit. You parking lot, you in the parking lot?
Why not? Not in that house.
Oh, and the next one over there so. Yeah.
One. I'm gonna do some crab hunting too.
Hey guys, so we split up with Barra. Yo, Chinese man must agree on there, yo.
I
Fuck.
need a long time in down there, you know.
Yo, I said the man come. Me know he come after me there still. But it's like when he forward in that place.
The thing that what they don't realize is that it's because so much small fish out there.
Yeah, bro.
Them are gonna eat off the bait.
Remember say people living in their yard, guys, and you can't too disturb them at them place either. You have to just be mindful and just be courteous with the thing. You understand? But big up on yourself, guys. Thank you guys for joining us. Me and Brian that's out here. As you seen, Brian been around me for years and years and years. We have fished together. So
I'll tell Jerry the name of my channel.
yeah, once he gives me the name of the channel, guys, I'm gonna drop the description below. Alright, guys. So stay tuned for this epic adventure. Me and Brian was hitting. Done got a couple of barra this morning and go so. Alright, so remember, guys, just please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And make sure you jump over Brian's channel. He's gonna give me the name or drop it in the description, and you guys jump over him channel and give him a heavy support. This is our official member of Jamaican Shore Fishing original
long time
foundation. So now make sure on go so, guys, and give him a support same way. You hear me? Big up on yourself. One love, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We out.